Hey friend, welcome back to the I Tried It series, where I'll be trying out side hustles found on YouTube to see whether or not they are worth your time and whether you could make some extra money from them. So if this is something you're interested in, stay with me and click the like button so this video can reach a wider audience. And if you're yet subscribed to the channel, I hope you make the decision to do so. So to kick off this series, we're going to try earning $17 watching TikTok video. There are so many videos on YouTube on this subject matter, but we're going to be following the tutorial of this creator.
You probably have a smartphone and you're not making money by watching TikTok videos. Come closer, you need to hear this. Do you know that you can make money by watching TikTok videos? I know you're always on your phone every day, laughing of TikTok videos to watch. One question, Brian has been researching ways on how to make money online, and basically I've tried it and it has worked for me. That's why I'm coming to share it with you guys.
So he said he has tried it and it's worked for him. Not that we're doubting, so let's join. And at the end of the video, I will let you know if it's worth your time or not. So the first step is to head to TikTok and search for viral funny videos. Okay. Alright, so we're going to be using this particular one with 121.3 million views. The next step now is to click on the video. The link to the video will pop up. This is the link to the video. You copy the link. For that, you have to take a screenshot of a particular part of the video. Let me take this back. Okay. The next step is to go to canva.com. Click on create a design and choose 1080 by 1920. That's for Pinterest. This is pop up, just click on it. Okay, so here we are. So we're going to do a little design on this. The caption of the video is me home alone. So we're going to be using that for the thumbnail. Not going to do anything complicated, just drag this here, increase the size, me home alone. We can change the color. Let's use yellow, make it bold. Okay, now this is going to be our pin. Let's download it. The next step was to head to Pinterest and create an account. I have a Pinterest account, but I'm going to be creating a new one for the sake of this video. Our Pinterest page is almost ready. Female, next. So we're going to be uploading our first pin. Download. Next up is to add the title, the description, and the link. Me home alone. But in the video, he suggested that you can also go through the comment section, check out the comment that is most liked, and use that as the title. For instance, this has 25.6k likes. The person says the picture on the wall had me. So what you do is just copy the comment and use it as the title. So instead of us using the me home alone as the title, we can use the picture on the wall had me. Also, you make sure you give credits to the original owner of the video. You can do that in the description. So I'll just say credit Recall Animations. Alright, that's it. So according to the video, you will not just copy the link and paste here. You copy the link and head to this website called shrinkme.io. Shrinkme.io. Here is it. I don't have an account, so I'm going to register right now very quickly. So I'm done signing up. I'm going to shorten the link here, the TikTok video link, paste it and shorten. Okay, here we go. Copy it and head back to Pinterest and paste. Sorry, we blocked this link because it may lead to spam. Okay, so I'm going to use Bacon to shorten this link because I use Bacon to shorten my links, but you can use bit.ly.io to shorten yours before you come back to this particular step. So now I think everything is done. Next and final step is to click on publish. According to the video, when someone clicks on your link and watch the TikTok video, you get paid. Now, this begs the question, how many people are going to see and click on this link for me to earn $17? How many? So if you ask me, this is not a side hustle you should invest your time and energy in. If I'm being honest, it's not a side hustle you should invest your time and energy in. So that's it, friend. If you like me to make more of this content, kindly let me know in the comment section and I will definitely take this on and save you some time trying it yourself. Okay, that's it, friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up so it can reach a wider audience. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I hope you make the decision to do so. Hit the subscribe button and tell me in the comment section I have subscribed. And also where you're watching this video from. I'll give you a shout out, I promise. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you on Saturday.